Last night I watched this Indian movie called Filori, starring who is right now my favorite Indian actress, Anushka Sharma. Today I just felt like having some Indian food. Actually, to be more specific, Indian snacks. So I called a friend of mine, Jamal, and I said, come and meet me and let's have some food together. He is about to arrive, slightly late. Oh, he's right here actually. Oh my God. My man. How you doing? How's it going? How are you, man? This is my friend Jamal, the man that I call the voice. And you'll see what I mean. He's got like the perfect radio and TV voice.
So here we are.
Yeah.
Indian food.
So, first question. Have you ever had Indian chaat before?
No.
You haven't?
I have not had it.
That is like the perfect thing because it's colorful, it's tasty, but it's very interesting, the manner of eating everything.
Nah, I was gonna say, how do you eat it?
Oh, this is gonna be fantastic. Let's get started.
Okay.
So basically there's one thing that we're gonna have right here at the counter,
okay,
and then everything else we'll order there and then we'll move back. Alright, so the thing we're gonna have over here is called pani puri. Okay? Alright, it's finally our turn, and basically what we do is you walk up to the counter, and Jamal and I, we're gonna like step up to the counter. Chicken, 2 pani puri. Are you ready, my man? Basically what's gonna happen is, he's gonna make them individually, one for you, one for me, one for you, one for me. Pick the whole thing up and drop it in your mouth. It's gonna be one of these puff pastries like that. It's gonna have chickpeas in it, it's gonna have potatoes in it, and then it's gonna have like a sweet sauce in it, and then a mint chutney sauce as well. All in a ball. It's gonna be full and it's a mouthful.
Okay.
One shot. All right, pick it up, man. You gotta pick it up real quick.
Okay.
Pick it up real quick, the whole thing, and put the whole thing in your mouth before it bursts.
It tastes so good. It just exploded in my mouth. Oh.
Jamal got the really spicy one. I said I want mine medium. Can't handle all that, man. Good?
Beautiful.
So this is like, consider this our appetizer.
Wow.
So, the other thing you do, pick up this, all the liquid.
Okay.
Have a quick drink of that. Thank you.
Good.
So this is like just to finish it off, we get one of these. How was that, my man?
That was unbelievable.
How,
a lot of liquid.
Yeah.
But really light, a lot of flavor. And spicy now. I'm feeling it now. Wow.
That's the thing with the spice in India, right? It carries, man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's how I get my shine.
And we have also 2 vada pav, 1 dahi puri, and one bel puri, please. Huh? All right, you got a lot of napkins. We're gonna need that. We're gonna need napkins and we're gonna need water. So we got both of those. Fantastic. So my man, basically, you know, this is street eating at its best. And when you talk about street food in Dubai, you're almost always going to run into Indian food. Yeah. All right. And this is one of my favorite spots. It's called Urban Tadka. It's hidden.
It's a little hidden over there, yeah.
In Karama, the greater Karama area, but it literally is a hole in the wall, and you can see it over there. It's a hole in the wall and a bunch of people behind it. All right, let me tell you what we've got over here. So basically, we've got, this one is called dahi puri. Same thing, you've got that crispy puri, you've got potatoes in there, you've got chickpeas, you've got some coriander, you've got tomatoes, and you've got this thing on top, which is like a crispy noodle, just a thin one, like vermicelli type thing.
Yeah, it's like a snack, usually, right?
Absolutely, and they call that sev.
Okay, sev.
All right, so that's sev, that's puri, and then dahi is basically yogurt, and that's what you got over there on top of it. So this is the one that's the kind of it's nice because that yogurt, you know, kind of brings down
yogurt.
all the flavors and everything like that. The other one that we have over here, so this is dai puri, this one is bel puri.
Okay.
And this one is, you see that those little things over there? It's basically just like crisped up
rice?
puffed rice. Exactly, puffed rice. Now this,
I see some chilies.
the pièce de résistance. So basically this is called vada pav.
Vada pav.
Vada is this on the inside, and that's basically just a potato patty.
Okay.
All right, so it's potato with some spices, and then it's breaded and deep
So this
fried.
is all vegetarian here.
Absolutely, absolutely no meat over here.
Okay.
All right, and then pav is basically the bread, and that's like a hamburger bread. So this is also known as the Bombay burger. And it comes with that. It's got the chutney on the side, and then they give you deep fried green chili. So I don't know how adventurous you are. I'm not gonna eat that.
You're not gonna try it?
I can't do it.
Okay, but I wanted to try because you know I've never tried deep fried green chili. I don't know what that's like.
I hear it's like awesome, man. Seriously. So
I'm ready.
which
to
one?
put a sheen on this.
Let's do that one. Let's do that one first. I like to do
do
that.
you mean?
The burger.
You want to do the burger first?
Yeah. What do you think?
Sure, let's do it.
Yeah. All right. Are you ready, my man?
I'm ready.
All right.
What's the sauce here for?
So this one is like a sweet sauce, and that one is like a mint chutney.
And are you supposed to, how you eat these?
Just like kind of dip.
Wow.
Just simple recipe.
Well, it's amazing how well it goes together.
I mean, deep fried potatoes, battered on the outside,
Wow.
and I love.
Great flavor in the potato, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have to go for the chili right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's see you go to the chili,
I'm
man.
about to grab this chili here. It looks intimidating. It probably is. Very sweet for the first second, and then it heats up. But I think that what it really does, it just makes you want to eat more of this. So good. You should really try that chili.
He's trying to con me into having a chili, but I'm not gonna do it, man. I want to try the other stuff first. But I will finish this vada pav. First napkin comes out.
It goes from my mouth onto my head. That's how you know it's spicy.
Oh man, look at, yeah. I'm definitely not having the chili. No way, impossible. So the next thing we're gonna have is the yummy dai puri. I mean, I love yogurt, but Indian yogurt, the way they make it, it's like really smooth. I think they like beat it. It's amazing.
What do they call it?
Dai.
Dai.
All right, so the way to do it is to just basically put your spoon under one full puri.
Which is challenging, guys. I'm struggling with this. Okay,
Get there, all right, you ready to go?
And there's a sweetness to it.
Again, the sweet tamarind sauce on there as well.
There's texture. The textures just come at you. There's a crispiness. There's a softness. There's a sweetness from the yogurt. It's really creamy, the yogurt. I mean, I haven't tasted yogurt like this. It's super creamy. It's almost like you're having a yogurt drink.
By the way, the thing that we say when something is great, we say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go, oh yeah. Ready for the last thing on our menu?
I can't wait. I can't wait.
This is bel puri. Bel puri has puffed rice. You can see like little bits of onions. It's like diced onions. It's got tomatoes in there. It's got coriander. And then it also has that mint chutney in it.
Ooh.
And it also has that sweet tamarind sauce in it. So what happens is he pours all of this into a bowl, he mixes it up, and then he pours it back into this plate. That's the way that
there are a
you...
lot of flavors in here.
All right, you ready to go?
I'm ready. But you gotta show me how you eat this one because this one looks.
All right, so dig your spoon right into it. Oh, that was a good one. All right, I am like super impressed by the very large spoon that Jamal has, and he's like holding it. Go for it, go for it, go for it, go for it. We're gonna have another bite because there's something in there which I forgot to mention.
Do you get mango?
Yeah. Mango. You got that?
I got hints of mango.
Now think about it while you take the bite. And basically,
It's easier to detect.
exactly, it's that green mango.
Right.
The little green one.
Yeah, we're sour mango.
There you go.
Yeah.
How did you like all of that?
Oh my god. I loved it. I loved it. From the experience of the counter and standing and eating at the counter almost felt like a shotgun approach where I kept getting something to put into my mouth and just kept going, to eating out here on the side of the street here, on this counter, trying 4 very different dishes, different textures to different flavors, but funny enough, they almost kind of had the same ingredients, yet they tasted different. How does that work? You know, I don't get that. The green chilies, the deep fried chilies, that's the first time I've had those. And I'm really glad we had the yogurt dish right after.
You did fantastic, my God. I mean, I tell you, like for me, this is like a go-to food where I just feel like something quick and good. And these guys, you know, they know what to eat, they know what to make. So, my God, I absolutely love this place. Now look, there are a lot of chaat places in Dubai, by the way. You can get a lot of them. For me, this one just is my spot. I mean, we've got Bombay Chopati, which is like one of the very popular ones from Bombay that opened over here. But Urban Tadka for me is the place to go. I'm gonna drop a link to the location down in the description. I'm also gonna give you a link to my friend Jamal's page. Check him out, give him a like, give him a share, give him all of that love just like you give me. So I hope you enjoyed that food, my man, but the night is still young and I would not be a good host if I didn't top this off with an amazing Indian dessert. How about that?
Oh, let's do it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. Now, I just want to let you guys know that that entire meal cost us 44 dirhams. That's about $12, $13 US dollars?
Yeah.
Pretty good price for a meal, huh?
Great value.
So, my man, we're gonna continue with Indian food, and we're gonna eat over here at Kulfilicious, and they do fresh kulfis. So, oh, the other thing is I've actually never been here before.
Oh.
So you and me, we're trying for the first time this time.
Yes. Yes.
Can I get the original flavor? Kulfi on a stick. So when we were little, we used to eat something called Malai kulfi, and it was on a stick as well. It didn't look like this; it looked a little different, but
Like a
taste,
bar?
yeah,
Yeah, like a bar on a stick.
yeah, and the taste is almost the same. I mean, it was called Malai kulfi, so it was the original, except it also had pistachio in there as well.
Oh, I love the pistachio.
Yeah. Do you feel a hint of rose water?
Definitely rose water.
Rose water as well. So smooth and creamy.
Yeah, they're really like taking something classic and simple like this and taking it to the next level.
Hang on, when you ask that question, I feel like there's like something else coming after that, like possibly trying another one.
But we did the classic, now we gotta do something far out there. It's only that.
I like that. How are you? Thank you. So, oh, that's peanut butter? That one's for me. Take that, and that one is...
And this one is pepper.
Pepper?
Pepper.
Pepper.
Spicy.
So there's basically kulfi at the bottom, and then this looks like what? Like vermicelli?
Yep.
Pasta? And then we've got some jello as well. So what do you have?
Mine looks exactly the same. I've got jello, vermicelli, and kulfi at the bottom. Wow.
So
Good.
So yeah, you know, in Asia, in the Indian subcontinent, they do put pasta in desserts, and it's usually, it's not a savory pasta, right? So there's no salt or oil or anything like that. It's just like tasteless pasta, kind of.
Yeah, plain. I think it takes on the flavor of everything else.
True. But on the bottom, you've got all that amazing kulfi. How is it, my man?
Oh yeah.
Oh, he said, oh yeah. He said, oh yeah.
Well, I did.
So that brings us to the end of a mini food tour that I did for you, Jamal. How was it for you, man?
It was a bit of a roller coaster ride, I'll tell you that. I mean, started off crazy, doing crazy things, eating hot chili, eating a lot, different flavors, crazy flavors. Taking a nice walk over to dessert. Dessert was super simple, and then all of a sudden it became super crazy again. We tried different flavors, pepper and peanut butter, but it just ended on the right note. It was a great evening, great food. I've learned about a new place that is gonna now be my spot. Sorry, buddy. I gotta take over.
All good, all good.
You know.
If you did, please give me a like. If you really like it, please give me a share. And if you really, really like it, subscribe so I can keep doing these videos. And hopefully this is not the last time you see Jamal.
And support this man.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. We're out of here, guys. We're going home to sleep. Peace out.